How you doing, everybody? Dave Suaviuso here in front of the new Sharp PN L2B series. And I want to talk about the built-in whiteboard. So when you launch and turn it on, you'll see the apps there. You click on whiteboard and it brings up a new palette, and you can choose from 3 different pens. Let's choose the red pen here, and you can start writing with your finger, or as I like to write with the pen. And from the menu here allows you to erase, or you can erase with your hand. I didn't mean to do that, so I can easily undo, change and bring up another color if I wanted to. And if you double click this, it allows you to also customize the width of the pen, change a color. And with the back of the pen, this allows you to also erase. But for a much wider, a much bigger eraser, you can just easily use your palm or a microfiber towel. When you scroll down here and go to the 3 dots here, allows you to use the File Explorer. If we click on this, it allows you to insert a PDF, an image to the background. Open a file, so if you already had a file in here you wanted to bring, again, you can do that through here. And of course, when you're done with your whiteboard session, you can save it to a file that you already have, or save it as a PDF. And of course, when you save, this allows you to save it to the on-screen, to the onboard memory, or with a flash drive, thumb drive, that you can input right into the front of the PN L2B series. Also, if you saw here, this allows you to, if you had a printer already added to the board, you can print, and then you have your settings here to change between using the pen or using your finger, and just clearing out and going back to the default settings as well. And then also being able to easily pinch and zoom under pen mode. And if I wanted to add additional sheets, I can easily do that right at the bottom here. Click on the plus button, and then you have a second sheet. And go back, there's sheet 1.